Hello, my name is Mandeep Devi. My topic is enterprise system integration with Internet of Things. IoT is a digital technology idea developed as a large scale of area. In these days, ERP system open new ports of opportunities for business purpose, automation system as well as client support. Companies can achieve the benefit of IoT as connected device, communicate and integrate with the supply network, consumer service network, business or market intelligence, and business analytic applications. In this presentation, I will talk about advantages of enterprise system integration with IoT, enterprise technologies to enhance business and customer, challenges, applications, and technical and social issues. Advantages of enterprise system integration with IoT. There are four types of advantages. First one is advancing communication to new level. The integration of enterprise system with IoT product and person activities directly connected with the ERP system. In this way, every consumer and supplier easily communicate with each other and get information regarding manufacturing activities. Second one is remote monitoring. Sometimes if a device lost their connection or any other problem occurred, it easily identified as a diagnosis that is valuable for enterprise system. Third one is business intelligence. Is that enterprise system needs to perform data and business analytics to get streamlined information analysis. Fourth one is easy data access. It is used for easy data access. ERP lies at the core of most businesses, enterprise, and offer data provision one way. IoT enterprise technology to enhance business and customer values. It is used for enhance businesses and clients in the IoT. There are three types. First one is monitoring and control. Advanced technology for monitoring and control, which involves intelligent network improvement, spot area, or potential results. Second one is big data and business analytics. Business analytic equipment can be implanted into IoT system consisting of adaptable fitness tracking sensors so that instant time choice making can acquire location from the supply of records. Third one is exchange of knowledge and collaboration. Records can be exchanged and collaborated by IoT among people and things. Now I will talk about challenges of IoT integration with enterprise system for organization. There are five type of organization. First one is diverse device. There are number of distributed device has affected the complex device structure and clustered into IoT hardware and software product architecture to the challenges while using sensing technology to provide common information. Second one is inclusion of data. IoT powered sensors device gathered raw data from many parts of the business perspective. This data is highly advanced because massive data with variable dates can be published or unpublished. Third one is financial. Business must therefore plan for money in advance, the stereotypical of long-term benefits. Fourth one is security. In the IoT Internet of Things context, cybersecurity and data protection are one of the key challenges. Fifth one is a lack of standardization. A broad variety of contrasting norms and patterns value can be found in any organization from application exchange to computing participants within the IoT system. Applications of Internet of Things integration with enterprise for modern manufacturing. There are four type of applications. First one is RFIDs and WSNs network integration. They have an important method for promoting manufacturing source, delivery, and decentralization. In this way, IoT is improving the manufacturing business. Second one is dynamic structure. The dynamic structure of IoT permits the system can be adaptive and remodified whenever it is for wanted. It allows the data integration throughout limitation of forms. One is the cloud computing. Cloud computing affords as an essential way to choose problems. All statics may be saved in non-public or public cloud servers. Some decisions may handled with advanced cloud computing services. Fourth one is person and things interaction. Interaction manifest among person to person, person to things, and component to component. So there are so many distinct interaction followed by various mechanisms. Integrating Internet of Things into enterprise. And there are two types, technical and social issues. Firstly, I would describe technical issues. There are so many technical issues which are related to adaptation of IoT enterprise system. These are following. There are four types of technical issues. First one is communication. Enhanced communication system and enhanced method could address many problems with the transmission of data over time. Second one is system management. Connected system central management supports the continuous development of a business operation. Central system management helps IoT development and remotely escalated track and upgrade devices. Third one is interoperability. When old and existing system integration with Internet of Things, new devices then problem of interoperability occurred due to lack of functional similarity among the system or devices. Fourth one is security. It also, however, presents several challenges related to security. Social issues. There are so many social concerns which are related to deployment of IoT devices in enterprise system. These are following. There are four types. First one is acceptance. Workers do not consider improvement attribute to technology at their place because employees are worried they will lose their job if any new technology taken place. Third one is governance. Failure to rule is a major issue in the IoT ecosystem. Enterprise will need appropriate regulations. Companies could use operational process and guidelines to fill the whole process. Fourth one is privacy and ethics. Any of the collected data may contain confidential or sensitive data. This consisting of details will raise ethical and privacy problems. Case study. Ericsson Maritime transforming the shipping industry with the IoT technologies. In 2013, the problem is occurred for manufacturing to warehouse to ship. There is a solution. It is solved by Maritime ICT Cloud. Carriers to link and interconnect these vessels on the same network on a single platform, enabling innovative data sharing in the enterprise ecosystem. Platform not only tracks freight and ships but enables market stakeholders to collect and evaluate real-time data from the manufacturing plant to the end users, ensure the safety and wellness of user. At the end, in conclusion, in, in this way, we can say that the integration of Internet of Things with enterprise system has become an inevitable part of every organization, creating a business value for IoT Internet of Things products and services. However, there are few potential threats like inclusion of data security and vulnerability and some issues that are solved by IoT Internet of Things. Here are the references where I the data. Thank you.